No idea what this
Go ahead.
Okay, I get to open it again. Exciting. You're like, where's it open? Take every possible place. Candy cane! And a Target gift card. Ooh, and a Target gift card. Thank you, Uncle Daddy, I got candy!
And gift card.
Yeah, how much money is it? I don't know, I'll check. As soon as I get this wrapping paper off. It's a cool one that you push a button and it lights up. Really? Where's the button? Here it is. I found it. Oh, gosh. Ooh, amount $50.
$50? Woo!
Alright, Jacob, your turn.
I guess I'll take it.
Ow! Yeah, give me my gift card. $50 is going to give me that Lego poster I want and more.
That's hers, not yours.
Yeah.
I know.
You may be getting 50 cents.
I can't believe it. I got $50.
I can't believe it either.
Why did she do
I got
that?
$5.
Sweet black Lego guy. Lego.
What is it? Legos.
Lego.
Oh.
Lego Castle. You wanted Lego Castle, right?
Yeah, open it.
Jeez.
I wonder what it could be.
God. That woman spends way too much money. Your grandmas have to go to
Candy cane.
Have to go home and
And a
sing.
gift card.
And a gift card.
I wonder how much your gift card is. I think it's going to be more than 50. It's
$100.
Oh my! That's $50.
Does yours play a song too?
Rachel's plays a song, I know.
It says press right there. I'll press it. Rachel, mine's dead.
Yours is dead.